seeds in the face or too much, does it? And they never like this.
Good job picking out the seeds, Albie.
I think Steve still has to clean out the pumpkin. Such a baby about it.
Daddy, I want to use that one. Help Daddy get in the pumpkin.
Right, now you're recording everything I'm saying.
Good job. Do you like the pumpkin? Yeah, do you like it? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Okay, stir up the seeds. No, not with the knives. What are you making?
Here you go, Mommy.
Thank you. Can you put it back in the bowl? Please? Thank you.